Hi, I'm Jess and I'm a family lawyer at Tim's, and I wanted to talk to you today about the way that court hearings are working at the moment, with some of them taking place in person and some of them taking place remotely. So let me take you through how it works. If you're having a telephone hearing, things are quite straightforward. You can expect a telephone call from the court from between about 5 minutes before your set hearing time to about 15 minutes afterwards, depending on delays at court. If you're attending by video call, things are again quite straightforward. You'll be sent a link by the court, which usually you can expect to come around 2 hours before the hearing as a minimum, but usually the day before, and that email will have a link within it that you can just click on when the hearing's about to start, and it'll take you straight to the hearing. So there are a few do's and don'ts for court hearings, whether they're remote or in person, but certainly remote hearings you should make sure that you're in a quiet room where there's no distractions, nobody can overhear you, and that you're going to be totally focused on what's going on during the hearing. You should also make sure that you're on mute whilst you're in the hearing unless you're needing to speak for whatever reason, and remember that people can see you if you're on video, and the judge will be able to see you as well. The first person you'd probably see is the person who's from the court who's helping everybody to join and making sure that everybody's there and involved as they ought to be. They'd also be the person that you would speak to if you were having any technical problems. Then there'd be the judge or the magistrate, depending on who your case is in front of, and then the parties and their solicitors or barristers if they've got legal representatives. So what do you do if you've got problems logging into your hearing? Firstly, don't panic. Loads of people have had the same issues before, and the courts are well equipped to deal with them. There's quite often a little chat function within a video call that you can use, or you can just get in touch with us at the office and we'll be able to walk you through that. If you've got any questions that you want to ask your solicitor during the hearing, again, just drop us an email and we'll have sent that to you beforehand.